Right, guys, so in this video I'm going to show you, or I actually explain to you, how to pay cash and delivery on TEMU now, guys. Okay, this is actually a very common question people have on the internet regarding TEMU, guys, okay? Many people ask about this cash and delivery thing. So we're going to clear it up just now, guys. So, how do you actually pay on TEMU with cash, you know? But let me tell you guys, TEMU actually is I know, look, it's an online shopping app that's really popular, affordable goods and everything, but people wonder if they can pay with cash. The quick answer is no. They do not offer cash on delivery at the moment, but I want to show you some other payment options that you can use on Temu, guys, which are actually great options, guys, okay? We have things like credit cards, debit cards. These kind of also work like cash, guys, okay? Even PayPal, it's kind of like cash. Google Pay, Apple Pay, it's kind of like cash, guys. So you can pay like that. You know, you cannot pay with cash on delivery when your package is delivered, but it is a safe website, guys. Don't worry. And these options ensure a smooth and secure checkout process, guys, okay? So you can place an order using your preferred payment option. Okay, just add everything to your cart, go ahead and click checkout, and then you'll be taken to your payment option where you can choose how to pay. You can choose one of these options, guys. You can even pay on credit after. They have pay later services like Clama and Clear Pay, guys. So once you get a confirmation of your payment, your order is going to be on its way. And yeah, guys, so while cash and delivery is not an option, they do make it easy to shop using widely accepted digital payments. So if this video helped, make sure you hit the like button, comment, and you should actually subscribe, guys. We are actually honest with you. So make sure you subscribe.